Have you ever wondered how the internet evolved from dial-up to 5G? Well, let's take a journey back in time to where it all began, the era of dial-up connections. It was a time when the internet was a novelty, something that sparked curiosity and excitement. The dial-up connection was slow, with speeds that could make a snail seem like a race car in comparison, but the slow speed wasn't the only interesting feature of dial-up. Who could forget that characteristic sound? The electronic symphony of beeps and static that signaled the beginning of your online journey. And let's not forget, while you were surfing the web, your phone line was completely occupied. No calls in, no calls out. Despite these limitations, dial-up had a profound impact. It connected people across the globe, introduced the concept of digital communication, and set the stage for the internet revolution that would follow. So that was the humble beginning of the internet. But as we know, technology never stands still. As we stepped into the 21st century, the internet took a significant leap forward. The introduction of broadband and Wi-Fi was a game changer. No longer were we shackled to our phone lines. The internet was now faster, more reliable, and incredibly liberating. This new era of connectivity brought about an evolution in the way we consume media. Remember the days of waiting for a song to download? Those became a thing of the past as streaming services sprouted up, offering music and movies at the click of a button. And let's not forget about online gaming. The increased speed and reliability of broadband connections gave gamers the ability to play in real time, transforming gaming into a global phenomenon. The internet, in essence, was no longer just a tool. It transformed into an integral part of our daily lives, shaping our consumption patterns, our entertainment, and even our social interactions. The internet was no longer just a tool, but an integral part of our daily lives. The next big revolution in internet connectivity was mobile internet. Remember when the third generation of wireless mobile telecommunications, or 3G, came along? It was a game changer, bringing high-speed data, video calling, and mobile internet to our fingertips. Then 4G took it a step further, offering even faster speeds and smoother streaming, and gave birth to a world where smartphones were no longer a luxury but a necessity. This was the era when the world truly fit into our pockets. Everything from shopping to banking, from music to movies was just a touch away. Information was no longer something you went looking for. It was right there, waiting for you, anytime, anywhere. It was a transformation that didn't just change how we communicated, but how we lived, worked, and played. But the evolution of the internet didn't stop there. Today we stand on the brink of a new era with 5G. This isn't just another incremental step in the evolution of the internet. This is a seismic shift, a game changer. The promise of 5G technology is breathtaking. Imagine blazing fast speeds that can download a full-length movie in mere seconds. But it's not just about speed. 5G is set to become the backbone of the Internet of Things, connecting billions of devices, from smart homes to drones, with the potential to revolutionize our day-to-day lives. Picture a world where autonomous vehicles communicate with each other in real time, reducing traffic and making our roads safer. Envision remote surgeries becoming commonplace, with doctors performing complex operations from miles away. These are just a few of the possibilities that 5G brings to the table. And so, from the humble dial-up to the promising 5G, the internet continues to evolve, changing our lives in ways we could never have imagined.